Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation in some of our van life adventures. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So after a nice day at Sabo Beach, we set our next destination. And that would be Rural Rootz Nature Reserve, which was only about 15 minutes from Sabo Beach. Earlier that day, Nancy booked through Harvest Host, which we are a member of, and it's an RV camping membership, in which I will make a separate video about Harvest Host. This would be our first time sleeping in our van, which we had not finished it yet, but it had all what we needed. So we did arrive last night and it was already dark. We apologized to our host, Tom and Dee. They are one of the nicest people you'll ever meet. So if you're ever in the Sabo Beach area and you need a place to stay overnight, and you're also a member of Harvest Host, please give them a call. You will love their place and you'll get to meet some great people. I highly recommend them. Since this will be our first time sleeping in our van and using Harvest Host, we made a few mistakes, but they were so accommodating.
All right. Here's our little lifesaver last night. This little jackery. This jackery definitely helped out. I'll plug and play that, and we hooked it up into our air fan over there. Max air fan.
We stayed cool enough in that summer night.
Okay, good morning everyone. This is, what day is today? Today's Sunday morning. This is our first night out in the van, first time ever. Actually, it was a great experience. I thought it was going to be hot. It was actually cool last night. We had the fan going. The temperature last night was actually around 55 or 60 degrees, so the sleeping at night was pretty good. We had no problem at all. I was afraid that it was going to be too hot, but no problem. That the fan worked out great. We came a little bit late, but real nice people. Tom and Dee, they were very accommodating. So we're going to explore this area a little bit, and we'll check it out. Here's our little entrance sign as we get into
Rural Rootz Nature Reserve.
our gallery located behind the south garden. Very cool. Very unique garden over here they have set up. Very cool place. Even got a little visitor from a little chipmunk. There's a little entrance to the garden area. Very welcoming. Welcome. Great giant safe passage. Oh, donation by fee. Okay. Wait for a donation there. Whoa, look at that. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Nice little patio over here, overlooking the garden. Little hike area. I don't know if I want to walk through there. Is it strong enough to walk through? Oh, scary. Check out this thing right here. Wow, that is so cool. My goodness. Wow. Wow.
This was quite strange.
Ooh.
I love these aluminum ones.
Oh, that's aluminum. Okay.
This one's pretty nice too.
Very cool. Look at that. Look at the square one.
This one is quite odd. When you strike it on the flat,
Wow.
you get that tone. When you strike it on the edge, and you can actually, from your vantage point there, you can actually see this thing vibrating. You can see it moving.
That's incredible.
It,
22.4% of the distance.
of the length of the tube.
Okay, and this is by just a fish wire? Or just any wire you can use?
Yeah, that's just monofilament.
Okay.
A couple of layers of monofilament. This is a piece of nylon string. And you hit them right at the very bottom, you get the most melodic tone.
Right.
And this
There's
one,
this big one here. What's this one?
this one is just downright funky. This is a piece of war surplus antenna equipment.
Okay.
And it's suspended on a piece of aircraft cable.
Aircraft cable.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, very cool.
And you can actually, you can feel the air.
So you can feel the
moving,
vibration.
Feel the energy. I try to encourage people to sort of come along and strike these and hum and hum. So that is the alarm bell that went on top of the locomotive.
Oh.
It's a steam-powered bell. So we push steam down through this fitting here,
Right.
and it activates the clapper and gets the moose off the tracks. So this is from the largest steam locomotive to ever run in Canada. So it's what they call the 6800 series.
Yes.
So it's an 8-wheel driver steam locomotive.
I thought it was the art gallery. It's the fart gallery. Look at that. Art gallery. Whoa. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
So it's been used as a yoga studio.
A yoga studio, yes. Yes.
A couple got married in here.
Wow.
And there were about 25 people in the wedding party. So not a big space, but it's really nice. It's got a lovely dance floor.
Perfect. Perfect.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And it comes, all the kitchen stuff is here because we were using it as our summer kitchen.
Uh-huh.
And you can just sit here and watch the birds and the squirrels.
Wow, what a nice place.
Yes.
That is a bathroom. Oh, look at that. See, now just give you an idea to put another bathroom out in this head.
Those are wheel covers, cut down.
That's awesome. Do we keep it?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is for
okay.
you.
Right.
These are
That's so
open that
cool.
for
created by another RVer.
Yes. I like that little thing called the love note.
Here you go.
And what does it say here? That's so bad. Look at my glasses. Thank you for all the ways you share your things, your smile, your laughter. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
you
that's
didn't
so
have to-
true.
That's you too, but the patients are, that's me.
So, hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure at Rural Rootz Nature Reserve. Once again, special thanks to our host, Tom and Dee. And if you're in the area of Sabo Beach and also a member of Harvest Host, give them a call. They are most welcoming. If you guys like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.